What is a provisional patent application? A provisional patent application is a powerful tool that allows inventors to secure an early filing date for their inventions without the complexity and the cost of a full patent application. It's essentially a 12-month placeholder that gives you patent pending status. So what are the key benefits? First, it establishes the priority date, the early date of your invention. Second, it allows the use of patent pending label on the products and also on your investor pitch decks. It provides 12-month time period to refine your invention, and it is lower cost than the full patent application. So how do you do this? First, you need to generate a very detailed description of your invention. It doesn't have to be any particular format or formality, just do a brain dump. The important thing is the quality of the details. If you put in a one-page provisional application, and then when you give it to us, and we turn that into a 30-page patent application for a non-provisional, people are naturally going to ask, where did the other 29 pages come from? We want as much detail as possible. Just use a brain dump and put everything that you know into it. Put in there factors such as, okay, how is this done? What alternative components could you use? How could it be designed around? If a competitor wants to solve the same problem, what other techniques could be used? And then you might want to think about what other industries might this particular system could be used in so that you can increase the scope of your application. Think through and provide a brain dump. Then you also need to provide as many drawings as possible. Now remember, a drawing is worth 1,000 words. If you have 10, 12 drawings that illustrate how your invention operates, that's the easiest way to explain because examiners are visual and it's easier to point to the drawings. You need to have a provisional cover sheet that lists the inventor names and the title of the invention. So when you file, all you need is your description and your drawing that explain how the invention operates, and also a provisional application cover sheet, and then of course a fee to the US government for your filing fee. Remember, you have 12 months from the filing of the provisional to convert it to a non-provisional. That date is important because if you file the non-provisional outside of the 12-month period, you will lose the priority date of the provisional application, and it renders all your investment in the provisional application moot. So make sure you convert within the 12-month period. Use this 12-month period wisely to iterate and refine your invention and to gain traction, because the proof of traction is important for investors to invest in you. So with that information, good luck.